This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming two essentials. The caste certificate is issued in Maharashtra and you have Aadhaar or PAN linked. Once logged into the Maharashtra e-district or state portal, go straight to the Citizen Services dashboard. Make sure your mobile number matches the certificate record. It's used for OTPs. Next, select the caste certificate service or download certificate option. Don't pause to explore other menus. This first step sets up verification and lets you retrieve the certificate number quickly. Once you've accessed the caste certificate section, enter the certificate holder's name and either Aadhaar or the application ID to narrow results. If multiple records appear, compare birth date or father's name to pick the right entry. After selecting the record, click View or Download to load the PDF. The caste certificate number usually appears near the header or top right. If you're unsure, open the PDF in a reader and use Ctrl+F for terms like Certificate No to locate it fast. After you find the certificate number, download the PDF, save a secure copy, and note the number for future use. Make sure the name and details match official records. If the number is missing or document is blank, first rerun the search using Aadhaar or application ID, then clear browser cache and try another device. If problems persist, contact the local Tehsil or Mamlatdar office with your application ID, or submit a grievance on the portal. This usually resolves discrepancies within a few working days.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.